Disclaimer: the content in this video is not for anyone under the age of 18 to watch. The content in this video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. I give my opinion and let the user form their own decision. I am not encouraging anyone to do anything.
Viewer discretion advised. Adult content, 18 and over.
If you guys ever have problems with your Juul, like once you connect it, I've had the problem before. And sometimes the light would not turn on for some reason. So most likely you just have to clean the inside of the Juul. I don't know if you could see. You see the two little contact points that connect to this? That probably has some old e-liquid in it. So all you want to do is, with a Q-tip, move it around, but I prefer dabbing it instead of like that. Don't do that. Just like dab and press hard, because you might damage the contact points if you just go like this, you know? But only to the walls you could do this, you see? Like that, to the walls. But once you get to the bottom, just dab it and press hard. Because if you put a little light in it, you could probably see the moisture that it collects. And just in case, let me do this part as well, just to keep it as dry as possible. And I'm just pressing hard so that it can suck up any liquid that it might have. And as for the outside, you want to get some alcohol, 70%. Get a new Q-tip. Dip it. And just lightly on the inside. Don't do that. That I don't do it, just in case, because that's the charging parts. This is a Juul Pod, by the way.